The 5th Zonal Youth Convention of the Shillong Archdiocese Catholic Youth Movement in Zone 6 concluded on Sunday, showcasing vibrant participation from youth across 5 parishes in the Ribhoi district. The event took place at Lumsinai, Umden parish in Ribhoi district. The closing ceremony was also witnessed by Cabinet Minister A.L. Heck, Catholic priests among others. The conclusion of the youth convention saw the energetic participation of thousands of youths from 5 parishes within Zone 6 of the Shillong Archdiocese. The culmination commenced with a Holy Mass in the morning, followed by an evening cultural program. This annual youth convention aims to foster unity among the youth, encouraging them to collaborate for the betterment of churches and society as a whole.
Nagada kita kita aja pi ingat bahwa baru tidak responsibility
In sports,